Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download all your photos from Google Photos. If you want to back up your pictures to your computer or keep a copy outside of your Google account, we will guide you step by step on how to do it quickly. Now let's get started. On your takeout.google.com dashboard, start by deselecting all and then select the items you want. As you can see, it says selected 64 of 64. Next, scroll down and find the next option. Here, we just need to check that box. Now we can choose whether we want the export to happen once or every 2 months. It's completely up to you. We can also choose to send the link to our email or save it directly to our drive. Since we want to save it to our drive, let's select that option and then hit Create Export. At this point, we just need to enter our password. The export is now in progress. After we enter our password, we simply wait. Keep in mind, this can take hours or even days to complete. Once it's done, we will receive a notification letting us know. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded all our photos from Google Photos. We can now store our memories safely on our device or in another backup location.